Today, we're making a rich and flavorful Thai chicken curry that's both simple and satisfying. Let's see what we'll need to bring this delicious dish to life. Let's start by prepping our ingredients. Let's start the magic. Heat oil in a large pan over medium heat. Add garlic and onion. Sauté for 2 to 3 minutes until fragrant. Next, add the carrots to the pan and stir them in with the garlic and onion. Let everything cook together for a couple more minutes to build up that flavor. Now, add the red and green bell peppers, 30 grams of each along with the sliced leeks. Stir everything together and let it cook for a few minutes until the vegetables begin to soften but still keep a bit of their crunch. It's time to bring in the flavor. Add 2 tablespoons of Thai red curry paste. Stir it well into the vegetables and let it cook for about a minute, just until it releases that rich, aromatic spice. Now pour in the coconut milk. Stir it through gently until the curry paste is fully combined, creating a rich and creamy sauce. Then, add a splash of water, just enough to loosen the sauce slightly. Give it a good stir so everything blends together smoothly. Now, blend the mixture until smooth and creamy. This gives the curry a rich, velvety texture. Heat another tablespoon of oil in a pan over medium heat. Once hot, add the chicken pieces and cook until they're lightly browned on all sides. Season the chicken with salt and black pepper as it cooks, enhancing the flavor. Now, add the onions, carrots, and bell peppers that we set aside earlier. Stir them in and cook everything together for a couple more minutes. Pour in the blended curry sauce and stir everything together. Let it simmer gently so the chicken absorbs all those rich flavors. Finally, toss in the leftover leeks for a fresh, crunchy finish. Give it a quick stir, and your Thai chicken curry is ready to serve. Now, let's plate the curry with steamed rice, perfectly fluffy and ready to soak up all those delicious flavors. Finish it off with a sprinkle of fresh parsley for a bright, herby touch that complements the curry beautifully. And there you have it, a rich, flavorful Thai chicken curry that's simple to make and absolutely delicious. Serve it hot with steamed rice, and enjoy every bite. Thanks for cooking with me today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more tasty recipes. See you next time.